Cylinders can look very different. Today, this tutorial is for one specific matter. You already have a cylinder and you need to replace it with something similar. And we will do practical part in the end. Catalogs are full of sizes, ton of them. Instead of panic measuring everything, we need to think. Not measure more, measure smarter. Let's talk about the sizes that actually matter. Length and stroke. Very often, total length already tells you a lot about the stroke. Width and profile. This usually says a lot about bore size, and bore size means power. Fixating screws, mounting holes. If these don't match, nothing fits, no matter how perfect the cylinder is. Piston rod size. This one is like a double-proof measurement. If rod size matches, usually bore family matches too. Now, very important rule. Never photograph your measurements. Points lie, angles lie. Later you zoom in and suddenly it's 24 or maybe 25 centimeters, or maybe you just guessed. Always write it down. Even better, make a small drawing. And please, stop micromanagement. Yes, sometimes small things matter. But for example, don't try to measure thread pitch if you don't really know how to do it. At this stage, you will not find the correct thread. You will invent your own thread standard. If you are unsure, stop, Google it, check standard tables. Rule of thumb here is simple. If 3 to 5 most crucial sizes matches an ISO standard cylinder, most likely all other dimensions will also match. One more thing, always do proof measurements. You will see what I mean in the second. Alright, practical part. Let's take this real cylinder and find its code in the catalog. Let's measure total length, profile length, and also stroke. These 3 sizes are my proof measurements. If something goes terribly wrong in the catalog, I can always double check, because total length should make sense with body length plus stroke. If those don't match logically, I didn't find a rear cylinder, I measured it wrong. Next one will be profile width, mounting holes, piston rod diameter. Also, let's measure thread size and length. And that's it. I stop here. Alright, now we open the catalog. All sizes in catalog are without stroke, so I will put a little math on the screen. This is very simple math, nothing scary. With just these numbers, we can already understand what cylinder this is. Almost all manufacturers do this the same way. On the first page, you will usually find what they call a code or order code. This code is not random. Each part of it means something. Series, bore size, stroke, mounting or options. So instead of guessing, we decode. And once you understand this logic, the code stops being scary. So let's recap. Don't photograph, draw. Do double measurements. And don't overcomplicate. Measure what matters. The rest usually follows. In next video, we will talk about choosing bore size, because that's where most mistakes actually happen. Thank you for watching. See you next one.